Is everybody out there? Ms. Gibson?
Our third presentation is a proposal to amend the Maryland handgun hunting regulations to allow the use of handguns for deer hunting in Maryland. It was proposed by Mr. Dwight A. Owens, Jr.
Hello, my name is John Belazik. I live at 11280 Deer Farm Place, La Plata, Maryland. I guess the issue here is allowing the use of centerfire handguns for the hunting of deer. The ballistic, they were excluded originally when they excluded centerfire rifles for certain counties, like in these counties where they only allow it now in Garrett County, where, you know, a rifle like in a 30-06 or a 7mm Rem mag has a projectile that can kill miles away. I mean, you can effectively fire them at things 1,500 yards away and hit them and devastate them. Now, in this county, we're allowed to hunt deer with muzzleloaders and shotguns that use sabotted rounds, which have basically the exact same ballistics as a centerfire handgun. My daughter's muzzleloader uses the exact same projectile that my revolver would use in a plastic sabot, traveling at pretty much the exact same velocities that my handgun would have as well. So basically, the ballistic justification for the exclusion doesn't exist any longer because you have muzzleloaders that have the exact same ballistics as the handguns. And those are what's commonly used in this county and other and neighboring counties. So just to exclude something without a ballistic justification, which was the original justification for the exclusion.
And is that Mr. Balazek?
Yes.
Any comments or questions? Mr. Collins?
I had a question about whether there are other jurisdictions in the state of Maryland that actually allow the use of handguns for deer hunting.
Yes, they do. In the Garrett County, in the counties that allow the use of centerfire rifles to hunt deer with, like in Garrett County, where they still allow the 30-06s and 7mm Rem mags, you are allowed to use a centerfire handgun in those counties.
Ms. Davis?
Mr. Blasek, I still don't understand why we would need handguns used for deer hunting.
Well, I know my grandfather started hunting with a 44 Magnum handgun back in the 70s when he got too old to carry his rifle around all day. So, I mean, he basically had a ballistically efficient, something for, harvesting deer that he could carry around comfortably all day.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone else? Mr. Balazek, I hope we've treated you very well tonight.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you will keep us in the highest regard.
All right.
Because I'm a little afraid of you, I got to be honest.
Well, I'm just a Maryland hunter. I mean, you're in Charles County. Just go around for the hunt.
God bless you and go with God.
All right. You too.